Across vast orchards, glowing with ruby-red fruit, one of nature's most extraordinary treasures begins its journey. For centuries, pomegranates have symbolized vitality, abundance, and healing. Today, modern engineering transforms this ancient fruit into one of the world's most premium beverages. Our story starts where the fruit is born, under warm sunlight, where harvesters move in perfect rhythm, selecting only the ripest pomegranates. From here, the journey shifts into a world of stainless steel, conveyor belts, and world-class precision. Inside the factory, pomegranates glide through washing tunnels, where high-pressure jets remove every trace of dust and soil. Advanced optical scanners inspect each fruit, accepting only those worthy of premium juice. The real magic begins when robotic cutters split the fruit, revealing thousands of jewel-like seeds. With meticulous engineering, de-seeding systems separate seeds from peel, using vibration, water flow, and air sorting, preserving every drop of flavor. The seeds move into crushing mills where rich crimson juice flows like liquid gemstones. Through centrifuges, filters, heating, and cooling chambers, the juice becomes clearer, brighter, more vibrant, ready for the world. Finally, the bottling line takes over. Nozzles fill each bottle with millisecond precision. Caps seal in freshness. Labels wrap around like a final signature, and pallets rise toward towering automated warehouses. From orchard to bottle, from nature to innovation, this is how pomegranates become premium juice in one of the world's most advanced modern factories.
Check the flow rate on line 3. It's dipping.
Adjusting now. We must keep it steady for the extraction.